and I'm going to the dog beach today with my dog. One of them, not both, just one. So, let's go. Look at the Oliver. Bye-bye, Ollie. Brandy dog. I love you. But you're not coming, but bud. Did you get a cappuccino? No, it's water.
Yeah, so I was like, sweet, I got paid.
It's the buddy boy. And crying Dodger. We are here. Bye, buds. Hi. There's the boy. Eddie. Hey, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball, sir? Right there. There's your ball. Ew, it's all sandy. Big. 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 Good boy. Bye. Leaving me forever. Dad, you enjoying the beach today? Buddy got like taken out by a wave. I don't know if you can tell, but he's all like wet now. Bye, buds. Hi. Alright, you got ice cream. I got him some ice cream. Cold water. And I got me Sprite and strawberry ice cream. Hi, buds. The ice cream, candles, and water. Yeah, going home. Bye, buds. Sorry, buddy. So we are home from the dog beach, and I'm showered, he's showered, and now I'm just gonna chill. Also, don't forget to check the description for Buddy's Instagram and this girl's Instagram. Alright, so I just played some GTA. Waiting for my hair to dry, and then I'm gonna straighten it. But yeah, this is the boring part of my day. And I'm tired, so I'm probably gonna take a nap and watch some David Dobrik because he's awesome. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know what else you want to see, whether if it's questions or my makeup routine. I don't know, just like let me know. I hope to do a morning routine one of these days. We'll see when it comes up. But yeah, let me know what else you want to see. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Don't forget to check the description for